When it comes to cryptocurrency trading, one of the first decisions you must make is which crypto exchange to utilize. The two most popular Bitcoin exchanges now are Binance and CoinBase. Both provide customers with the ability to purchase, sell, and trade cryptocurrency. CoinBase, founded in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam, was one of the first cryptocurrency exchanges on the market. It is a regulated exchange situated in the United States that provides access to some of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market today. CoinBase has positioned itself as one of the top exchanges in the world, with an easy-to-use software and the option to buy Bitcoin with a bank account or credit card. Binance, launched in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, is a relative newcomer to the cryptocurrency sector. It has quickly risen to become the world's largest exchange by volume, providing users with access to hundreds of cryptocurrencies. Binance is available in over 180 countries around the world, though they had to create a distinct corporation, Binance US, to cater to US users. Binance and CoinBase were created for distinct types of customers, with Binance catering to expert traders and CoinBase catering to novice investors. Binance, on the other hand, provides more complicated trading options, whilst CoinBase keeps things simple for investors who are still learning the ropes of crypto trading. If you're an experienced trader, you'll want to keep a careful eye on cryptocurrency prices so you can purchase or sell when the time is right. Binance provides advanced traders with a variety of tracking and charting tools. You may also set up price alerts for cryptocurrencies you're interested in trading, as well as use indicators and overlays to view price movement. Binance offers more features than the standard platform. Many software apps can assist you with your trading activities because Binance offers public API keys. The enormous number of trading alternatives available to skilled traders is the most significant advantage. Limit orders, stop market orders, stop limit orders, post-only orders, one cancels the other orders, and one cancels the other orders are all available on Binance. Margin trading, derivatives, and pool liquidity are all examples of peer-to-peer trading. Because CoinBase is geared toward new investors, its features are more focused on education. A newsfeed displays the most recent crypto news, and the platform encourages users to expand their expertise by watching short films. Simply by watching these informative films, you can earn cryptocurrency. CoinBase, unlike Binance, has a built-in hot wallet where you may store your cryptocurrency. Inside of the platform you can also transfer your payments to a PayPal account, which is a secure online payment system. A significant plus. Binance offers some of the most affordable fees, while Coinbase has some of the most expensive. Binance has a maker-taker fee system, which can appear a little confusing when looking at the platform's price tables. Binance costs 0.1% every transaction on average, but you can save money by paying using BNB tokens, Binance native token. The platform allows you to buy BNB tokens. You can cut your fees down to as little as 0.02% using savings. Both Binance and Coinbase provide access to the most popular cryptocurrencies, but Binance supports more than 10 times the number of cryptocurrencies that Coinbase offers. Coinbase offers access to about 40 coins, whereas Binance has access to over 500. As of March 2021, both Binance and Coinbase are available globally, although not in all countries. Binance is available in more than 180 countries around the world. Despite this, they established a separate platform for US-based consumers due to the US's rigorous KYC, Know Your Customer, and anti-money laundering regulations. There are various advantages to moving your funds out of a custodial wallet on an exchange that you don't control and into an external wallet. Both Coinbase and Binance have their own cryptocurrency wallet apps. These are both hot cryptocurrency wallets, which implies they're online. The Coinbase wallet, like the main Coinbase exchange, is incredibly intuitive and simple to use. The Binance Trust wallet is less user-friendly than the Binance exchange, but transaction costs are lower. This is mainly due to the fact that it supports the Binance Smart Chain and works with additional tokens. Binance Smart Chain is the company's own Ethereum-like smart contract cryptocurrency ecosystem, where users may create new tokens and applications. The two exchanges, Binance and Coinbase, cater to various types of users. Binance is excellent for folks who are already knowledgeable with cryptocurrency terminology and investment opportunities, whereas Coinbase is designed for quick and straightforward trading. Coinbase is a simple platform for investors that are new to cryptocurrency trading and wish to trade quickly, easily, and securely. Binance's interface is simple to use, but for a new user, the sheer number of options might be intimidating. Both exchanges offer mobile apps with different features. On Apple's App Store, For example, the Binance and CoinBase apps are rated 4.5 out of 5 stars. 34 The Binance app, on the other hand, has low ratings for Android users, with only 2.0 out of 5 stars on Google Play, with many users claiming that the software works better on iPhones. If you're new to cryptocurrency, CoinBase is a good place to start. The platform places a premium on security and ease of use. If you're new to cryptocurrency trading, the user-friendly UI with few, straightforward options will come in handy. If you have more knowledge and want more advanced trading alternatives with professional analysis to back them up, Binance is a great choice. Binance and Coinbase are two of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. However, regardless of which platform you choose, it is always recommended to use a hardware wallet for long-term savings. Whatever platform you choose, keep in mind that cryptocurrency investing is very speculative, so never invest more than you can afford to lose.